Chapter 3, Working with Tables. So here I am going to discuss components of a table, creation of a table, manipulating a data, viewing a table, and switching between two views. Common terms used in a database tables or components of a database tables. First one is field name. Field name specifies the names of the fields in the database tables. Next one is field type or data type. This is very important. Whenever you define the field name, you have to specify the data type, because a table stores various types of data, and data type specifies the type of data that can be entered in the database table or database field. There are various types of data types. First one is short text. Or in some version you can directly see text only. So short text, maximum it can store 255 characters. For storing names, small addresses or pin codes, we can use short text data type. It is a combination of alphabets and number, or it can only contain the plain text. Number 2 is long text, or you can see memo. It can stores up to 65,536 characters. So for lengthy characters or lengthy text, we can use long text or memo. For any new version, you can see long text, or in older version you can see memo data type. So for storing some sentences, say hello, good morning, or for long sentences you can use long text or memo. Number 3 is number. Number is used to store numeric data, and this numeric data we can use in mathematical calculations. Number 4 is date or time. So it stores date or time values. So format, it's up to you. Whatever the format you want to store, that format is specified there. You can use any of the format. Number 5 is currency. It stores the currency values and numeric data used in mathematical calculations. It allows data with 1 to 4 decimal places. Okay, so currency, you can store rupees currency, you can store dollar currency, you can store euro currency, etc. Number 6, auto number. Yes, it is a unique sequential number assigned by Microsoft Access, which is incremented by 1 whenever a new record is added to a table. And auto number field cannot be changed. The value of the auto number field cannot be changed, and it can store maximum of 4 byte values. So 1 byte, in 1 byte you have 8 bits, so in 4 bytes you have 4 into 8, 32 bits value. Okay, next 7 is yes or no. It takes only yes or no, or true or false, or on off values. Like for example, a human can either be a male or a female. For that kind of option you can use yes or no data type. Number 8 is OLE object. OLE means object linking and embedding object. This is used to embed an object created in another application, such as Microsoft Word document, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, or PowerPoint presentation. So you can create in another application, and you can link it to database tables, and it can stores up to 2 GB of data. 9 is hyperlink. Hyperlink stores up to 1 GB of data. You can store links to web pages, websites, or any other files by using this hyperlink data type. Number 10 is attachment. This is new to Office Access 2007, and you can attach images, spreadsheet files, document charts, and other types of supported files to your record in the database, just like when you attach any kind of files to your emails. Okay. 9 is calculated value. You can see this data type only in the newer version. In the older version you cannot see calculated value. It can stores the value used in calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Number 12 is lookup wizard. Lookup wizard helps you to create a field whose values are chosen from the values in another table. So it contains a query or a list of values. Okay, and from that list of value we can select any one of the value. So that is your lookup wizard. Third one is field properties. In field properties we have different options like field size. Whenever you define a name of the field, you can define the size of the field also, means up to how much character you want to enter the data. Next one is format. Any kind of format you can allow in the table, like say date and time. There are 3 types of formats like date, month, year, or month, date, year. So you can allow any of the format. Decimal places means up to, it is used to specify the number of digits allowed after the decimal places. Caption is for giving any heading. Default value is for giving any default value if you don't enter any value, what type of value you want to display. So that is your default value. Then validation rule, validation text, required, allow zero length. These are some other properties. All these properties I will show in the practical video. Number 4 is primary key. This is very important because with the help of the primary key only we make the relationship between different tables, or we can join the tables with the help of the primary key. So primary key is a unique key that identifies a record uniquely. For example, your roll number is unique in the class, and two students may have the same name, but with the help of the roll number only we can recognize you. So your roll number is the primary key for that class. Like that, for different tables we have one primary key. Okay.